Welcome to Smart Pewters Tech. Today we got a new device for you guys, and let's see the unboxing and first impressions of this device. This is from MI, and it's MI A2. It looks same like Redmi Note 6 Pro, and some minor changes like they have a new processor and Android One, not MIUI. And some of the key specs of this phone are: it is having 20 megapixel AI camera, 20 plus 12 dual camera at the back, 660 Snapdragon AI engine with AI engine, and Android One powered by Google. So it's gonna get updates faster than any other device, and it looks quite good. We have ordered a Lake Blue version, 6GB and 128. We got it for 16,000 on Amazon sale, and its MRP is 20,500. It doesn't have a headphone jack as far as I know about it. Let's open it and see what's inside. I'm making this video alone, so you might see some mistakes. Okay, let's cut the seal off. Okay, it's open from that side, and it's cut from this side too. Now we'll see if it comes down this way. Yep. Let's keep this aside, and let's see what's inside this thing. Okay, here's your device. Please wait before I show you the device. Let's see what's in this thing. It has a case and a dongle and a SIM ejector tool. This is 3.5mm jack from Type-C, and this is the case for the phone. This is a plasticky rubber type of thing. Okay, it's quite good that brands include this thing. Let's see if the device comes out this way. Not coming out easily. Oh my god, making video alone is quite a hectic task. Like, it's not even coming out. What do I do to this thing? Oh, see. I don't know how they pack this thing. It's not a good experience while opening this device with one hand. Like, even with two hands, it's not easy to take it out from the box. And this is the Lake Blue version. It looks quite good. Yes, it is good looking phone. And here's some warning, and it is nano SIMs, and you can't use a SD card, I guess, on this one. And here's the key specs which are written on the box. Same thing. Let's peel this off and see. Here's your device. This is how it looks, and from the back it looks good. Like, wow, it's super thin, just like some OnePlus device. It's quite thin. See, let's boot it up. Let it get started, and let's see what's in the box. What's the power of the charger? I think it supports Quick Charge 4. Let's see what's in the charger thing. It is wait, let me focus on this thing. 5 volt 2 amperes charger, Type-C charger it is. I don't think they have a headphone jack in the box. I feel no earphones in the box. Let's see what's there in this one. This is a Type-C cable, and that's it. I mean, no earphone in this phone. Okay, it's already booted up. Here's the start. Skip, skip, continue, next, next, next. No, skip. I wanted to skip it. Skip. Like, I'm gonna skip a hell lot of things at the start, and then I have to reset it again. Next. Wow. Whoa. No bloatware at all. Like, wow. Quite snappy. Let's see what's Android version in this thing. It is 8.1. They might get 9 very soon. Let's see what camera app it has. It has its MI's camera app, not Google's camera app. I think they should put the Google camera app in these phones because it is powered by Android One. It would be a better because Google camera is so good. The camera looks snappy. Wow. The first photo of its own charger. Let's see if they have put some audio thing inside. Yeah, Google Play Music. Skip. Allow. They don't even have a music to play for a sample. And it has a 4000 mAh massive battery, and it supports quick charge with you have to buy some quick charger, then it's gonna charge very fast, like 1 hour 20 minutes to fully charge, and it's gonna get Android updates really faster than others, and it supports 4K video recording, I guess. And I'll make a complete video about that thing later. This is just the first impression about this phone, and I think the graphics, the display thing is quite good. As far as the brightness is concerned, it's bright, super bright phone. It is 1080p, I guess. Yeah, this is super stock Android. Just one thing is outside. The thing is MI services, and it's quite a good phone. Double tap opens the camera on the power button, and then just click snap. Things open really fast. As you can see on the basic animation speed, it is quite snappy. So guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I need more support to make better videos, and I'll make the full video about this phone very soon. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.